Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Key. Woo! I don't have proper setup yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. My stuff's in the mail. Don't judge me. I'm Kiara. I am new to YouTube. Welcome me. Welcome me. Thank you. Thank you. So I decided to do this makeup channel. I'm super excited about it. Hope you guys stick with me on this journey. Subscribe to my channel. Grow with me. Laugh with me. Complain with me. You know, do everything with me. So we're going to go in. I'm going to do a review today and I'm super excited about it. I got the Velvetizer and the It's My RAYE palette. It has every freaking thing in it. So here we go.
Sort of Bratman the science bitch. Bitch, 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 bitch. Bratman the science.
Today's gonna be a lot shorter, I promise, and I learned a little bit more better editing tricks. So today's gonna be just a review. So I've been looking on YouTube, and a lot of the MUAs and influencers have been mixing in translucent powder with their foundation, and I was like, because that can make it a little clumpy. So I actually want to give it a try. I did buy the Urban Decay Velvetizer. As you can see, it is so pretty. Presentation is everything. So they do recommend you to use it with their foundation. However, I don't have it, so we're gonna use it with a light to medium coverage foundation because it's supposed to give you full coverage. I normally use full coverage foundation, so I'm gonna use one of my drugstore babies right here. The Radiance, Black Radiance right here, and it's the Color Perfect Oil-Free Foundation. You can get at any drugstore, Walgreens or CVS. I think I even saw it at Target. So I'm gonna give this a try with this, and I'm also gonna review because I did get, and I'm so excited. Excuse me. It's right behind me. I got the It's My RAYE palette. This thing is by it has everything in it. So it's made by BH Cosmetics, designed by It's My RAYE, and this is what it looks like. So pretty. So it has 15 shimmer and matte shadows, and it has 3 shades of contour and then 3 shades of highlight, which is good. And look how big this mirror is. So you're gonna see me using the mirror. So this is gonna be messy. I tried it out before I started recording this. Honestly, there's really not a neater way to do this, so I don't have like a spatula or anything, so I am, as you see, I was using the back of my tweezers. So we are going to use the back of my tweezers. Let's clean that up a little bit. Don't judge me, girl. Don't judge me. We all have our moments. I'm like super unorganized. I'm kind of messy, not dirty. There's a difference. So you guys will kind of notice that throughout my time. I wish I can show you the behind the scenes. I probably will though, because I ain't ashamed. But I'm trying, and I'm trying to be a better person and walk in my purpose. I'm almost 30, y'all. I'm almost 30. So I need to get my life like fully loaded into adulthood. I don't feel like an adult. All right. So I just want to go in a little detail about this too. So they do say to use it with their product. Now this thing, when I tell you it is silky smooth, look at that. And then you can't even see it on my hand. So I'm super excited to really get this going. You can use it as a finishing powder too, setting powder under your foundation. They say to use like a dime size amount. So we're going to get going on this. So here we go. And put it on the back of my hand. This is the one thing I can't really stand about drugstore foundations. A lot of them don't pump, you know, and I really do like this brand. Hold on. So I am putting quite a lot because I'm extra as fuck. I'll put that in the back of my hand. And we're just going to use a dime size amount of the... Oh, hold on. Let me get this computer out the way. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Ooh, 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 ooh. There we go. So this is how much I put on there. And we're just going to mix it in. I'm super excited about this. Let's mix that in. So from the looks of it, it looks like it makes your foundation a lot thicker. So like I said, it's supposed to kind of give you that full coverage matte finish. And I'm super excited to get that going. Let's prep the face first because I forgot that part. So I am going to prime the face. Stuff falling everywhere. And I use my Too Faced primed and poreless because I got some big ass pores. So here we go. I'm going to take my flat angled brush by It Cosmetics. And we're just going to apply some to the face. Come on, girl, open up. So here we go. So far, I don't know. I mean, it definitely improved this foundation because it was in my archives for a little bit because I just wasn't in love with it. But I'm kind of into this. I may, however, need to apply more, so bear with me. So I got some more products, so I'm just putting it all over my face. Now I get really creasy in the smile line, so I want to see how Photoshop we can do and if it can improve my makeup. But so far, I mean, dang. Look at that, y'all. So far, I do like the coverage it's providing. With this, like I said, this is a light to medium coverage foundation from Radiance, Black Radiance. So this is my summertime foundation. Ooh, look at that. Now I'm just gonna finish blending this out with my beauty blender. Overall, we are just why am I so yellow? See, this is why I practice off camera first. I should have did this first. But all I have is full coverage foundations. But gee whiz. Overall, like I said, we're just focusing on the setting powder, okay? We're focusing on the Velvetizer. Don't focus on how yellow I am. I'm gonna even this out to the galls. But look at that. No creasing. No creasing whatsoever. You wanna see that? So I would say overall, I'm here for it. Can't see my pores because this is where my pores are. Right here, right here, right here, and right here. So it's a nice, nice finish. So like I said, it retails for $34. You can get it at Ulta, Sephora, or online at Urban Decay. It comes in 0.28 ounces. So you're going to use a lot, what I figured out. Because if you're using it to actually put it into your foundation and using it to set your face and you have to use this dime size amount, you're going to run out pretty quickly. I don't know how much makeup you wear per day, but it's a little pricey. But again, Urban Decay is it's a high-end line. So this is the results of the Velvetizer. Ignore the jaundice. I promise you, I do a lot better with this. Let me see if I can just
blend the yellow away, just blend it away. And that's why this was my shade in the summer. So, because I get a lot darker in the summer and I have yellow undertones. But when winter comes, you're a little lighter, a little more translucent.
So this is what happens. Got that Stevie J look. Alright, so we're gonna move on to the It's My RAYE palette. So as I was explaining to you guys, this actually launched in stores, I believe, last week. It's been online for 2 weeks. So it comes with this giant mirror so you can see yourself. You can see me. It comes with 15 shimmer and matte eyeshadows. And then as you see, these are the highlights up here. And then these are the choices you have for your contour. So I am super excited to try this out. So let's go ahead and start off with a quick contour because I'm going nowhere today. Not going anywhere. So I'm not going to do this crazy contour we are going to use this Wet n Wild fluffy blending brush that I use. And then you're supposed to use a contour brush, but I just got this, so I want to use it too. Because I'm just going to do like a, you know. Or should I not? Whatever. There's no rules to makeup, so do what you want. So, oh, I'm sorry guys. I am going to use this shade right here. I tried the dark one. It looked crazy on me. So, you really have to blend it in. If you do make a mistake, so this goes on so effortless. Look at that. I like that. Super duper effortless. It blends very easy. Okay. And then we're gonna highlight with one of our fluffy Morphe brushes. If I can find her, I'm gonna use her. Here we go. So we're just gonna go in with this fluffy Morphe brush right here. I think we should use this shade right here. This girl is called Radiant. Get it? Ray Radiant. So anyways, so I'm gonna go in with this. We're just gonna, ooh, effortless. We're just gonna put that up. So you don't need a lot. So that's the good news. You definitely don't need a lot. Look at that glow, y'all. Whoa. Yes. So this is a good palette for like every day because the colors are so neutral and they're not crazy. You can go to work, you can carry it in your purse, touch up where you gotta touch up, glow up where you gotta glow up, shine on them hard. So my camera cut off as I was talking about how much I was glowing to the gods. So this is what I did with a quick contour with the It's My RAYE palette and a quick highlight. So as you can see, I am really here for this palette. Okay, so now we're gonna try out the eyeshadows. I'm so excited about this. So we are gonna prep and prime our eyes. So we're gonna go in with our fluffy Morphe brush right here. I wanna sound like cool and tell you like what crazy number it is, but it's not on here. It's like the E95. So we are gonna go in with a neutral color. So I think we should go in with Spice right here. Very beautiful. So let's go ahead and get that popping.
Por mi tatuaje, la forma en que yo vivo. Dile que tú me quieres, que no le haga caso a lo que le digan. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día. Dile que yo soy el que te quiere. Explícale lo que sucedió. Entre tú y yo la llama se encendió. No sé cómo pasó. Me que no le haga caso a lo que le diga. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día. Vida mía, ya no quiero ocultarlo, quiero tenerte cerca. Hablo con tu madre, aunque sé que es difícil de convencerlo. Que no se deje llevar por la apariencia, porque mi corazón siempre te trata con decencia. Tú más que nadie sabes cómo yo soy contigo. No importa mi estilo de vida, tú me quieres así. Que nadie sabe cómo yo soy contigo. No importa mi estilo de vida, tú me quieres así. Dile que tú me quieres, que no le haga caso a lo que le diga. Nos vivimos enamorando día a día. Dile que yo soy el que te quiere,
I want to show you guys. These colors are super pigmented. I want to show you my finger just to see, like, show you like what you're working with here. You're not working very hard for these colors. Look at that. It's so pretty. And like I said, like, it's just as good as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I did not have to work hard to get these colors on. Like I said, it's very user friendly, very beginner friendly. It's just a friendly freaking palette. And oh my god, I'm sorry guys, this is so gross. I need tissue. So my final thoughts on these two products, I'm here for like all of it. Like I said, the only negative thing about the Velvetizer is you're going to use a lot, because if you're not using if you're using the light to medium coverage and you're using the dime size amount, you do have to use a little bit more, especially like I said, if you're setting your eyes or you're baking or whatever case, whatever you use it for, you're going to be using a lot. Overall, $34 it retails. It's a very, very fine translucent powder. I really, really like it. I think it made my makeup, I've never seen my makeup look like this. And I'm terrible at foundation because I always crease right here. But as you can see, I have no creasing whatsoever, and I'm so excited about that. So this is something I'm definitely going to be incorporating into my makeup. I just got my Bye Bye Pores by IT Cosmetics. So we're going to be switching because, you know, I don't want you to see my pores set. But overall, thumbs up to that. And then for the It's My RAYE palette, 21 color eyeshadow highlighter contour palette. I absolutely love it. The colors are so nice, pigmented. The highlight is amazing, and I'm a highlight girl, so it doesn't like make you look ashy, and it doesn't like just sit on your skin. I just feel like it's like a part of your skin. It makes your skin, it brightens you up so much. So I highly, 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 highly recommend the It's My RAYE palette. If you don't have it already, go get it. So shout out to BH Cosmetics and It's My RAYE on that amazing collab. Excellent. I'm happy about that. So subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is 15_glamgoddess_17. The numbers are my kids' birth years. So that's why it's so long. And thank you so much for watching this video and chatting with me and being patient with all my crazy clumsy bloopers. And I will see you guys soon. I think my
Scooby-Doo papá y el pum 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 y el pum 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 y el pum 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 y la cosa suena ra 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 Scooby-Doo papá y el pum 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 pum